ready. We're gonna start off with my 3 things I always put on my face before. Boom. Hyaluronic serum B5. Oozy. Ooh, how quick can I do this? Always vitamin C. Oozy. Oh my gosh, I'm running out. Put it in there. Oh my gosh. The stuff is always sold out, but that's because it's good. And Boilies mixed with Tan Lux. Quicker than a Snicker. A little dab will do ya. Gratitude journal. My cousin got this for me. It's unbelievable. You put, I am grateful for 3 things. What would make today great? 3 things. Daily affirmations. And then at the end of the day, 3 amazing things that happened today. How could I have made today better? I've been using it. It's bomb. We must underpaint. Boom, 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 boom. Go down. Here, 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 down. My forehead's enormous. Oh my gosh. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Get the eyelids. Boop. Here, 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 here. That's good. Don't rub it in too much because we're going to put foundation over this. I do the light first. A little bit here. A little bit. Get up here. Only foundation. Luminous Silk, baby. Dab it and just lightly go over. That with our bronzing powders. Same places. Same places you laid it down. What I did was here, 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 go behind the ears, down the jaw, down, forehead, forehead, and here, 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 down. Cut this part off. We're just performing good old surgery. Here, here. Same product, go up, crease and up. That. A little dab of concealer. That was not a little dab, it wasn't, okay? Go down, like that. And then smush it. Just to find this a little bit more here, go down. Okay, ooh. Nude sticks, here. That's where I do it. Here, and you're gonna put it on your eyeballs, your lids. Pat, 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 pat. Next, pink powder. Put it in the cap. This triangle puff. Sides, sides. We're leaving that. Leave it. Ooh. Bronzer. Physician's Formula is what I use. Sun-kissed. And right here. Right here. A little bit here. And then you can put a little bit here too. Best Brow Definer, Total Temptation. Get those little spots that, and I just do little diagonal lines. Make sure you get the tail, you know. Color it in. Just paint by numbers. Handy dandy other side. And you brush it. And then if it kind of looks streaky, it won't look streaky anymore. Next, brow tin. And just brush them up. There's a lot of mascara wars going on, but I believe highly in essence. So we're gonna, and then we're gonna, Grail Infallible in Burgundy. Brush off the pink and then blend a little, just like that. Best part! One of my favorite combos. Cork and Rendezvous by Huda Beauty. Overline a little bit at the top, a little bit at the bottom. And the sides you do regular. Rendezvous. Almost done. Just the lightest coat of powder, not a lot, just to keep it on. But I use the pressed powder so I don't look like the Crypt Keeper by Laura Mercier. And a little setting spray. I like Morphe, but I don't think I'm gonna use it today. Please don't mess up. Oh my gosh, why do I do this? That's it. That's my makeup pretty much every single day. Every single day. Love you.